In this video, we will discuss autofill. What is autofill? Let's see. So example, I am writing January, okay, and I am writing February, and I don't want to write it. So if I just click it here, one plus symbol is there. If I click it here, this is called fill symbol. If I just drag it, now see here, the all month is getting filled automatically. So here, January, February, March, April, it will fill automatically. This is called month. Now so let's see, I am trying to do it for date, okay, days. So example, first is Monday, okay, and Tuesday. Let's see what's happening. So again, I wrote 2 days and I'm just selecting drag. Now see here, it became drag to all the weekend, all the days. So now whenever I'm writing, so example, one more example I will take. I'm writing here. So example, I wrote all this month. Okay. So example, I want to drag it. So on the first cases, when I drag it, what happened? So example, so here, see here. So I want to drag it. What happened? The same value, the month value is getting autofilled, right? With the month, right? So what I want to do here, I want to fill with the format also. Okay. So in this case, let's see what I'm going to do. So first is January month. Example, all these things are red color. Okay, so yellow with bold, and then this is the example, red color. Okay, red color. So now I want to fill. So I'm to drag it. This fill symbol is there. So I'm just dragging it. When I'm dragging it, it is dragging with the value with format. Okay. Second option, when I'm dragging it, I want to fill the data, but without any formatting. Okay, so what I'm going to do? So I'm just dragging it here, and I want only the value, but not the formatting. So I just dragged it. Now here one symbol is there, plus symbol, drop down, autofill option. Just click it there. You want only the value, right? Fill without formatting, right? So just click fill without formatting. So what happened? The only the value it came, not the formatting. The third option, you want to do it, you want to drag it, but you don't want to drag the value, you want to drag only the formatting, right? So in this case, just select autofill option, click fill format only. It means the format only it came. Example, yellow color means it came only yellow color. The next example is, so now if you see, you want to undo, just click it here, you can check it, right? The next is example, I want to drag it. Okay, just see what's happening. I just dragged it and I'm selecting it here, fill months. What happened? Because all these months are there, that's the reason it came. Now example, I will take one Monday. Okay, so this Monday, see this thing we tried for the month. Let's see what's happening for days. Okay, so example, this Monday, when I'm dragging it, it's coming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? See here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So every day it's coming. Now you want to drag it, okay, but you want only the weekdays should come, not the weekend, right? So in this case, again you drag it. You see here down, see here fill weekdays only. It means this Sunday and Saturday, since it's a weekend, you don't want to work, okay. So just like select the fill weekdays. If you select the fill weekdays, see here Sunday and Saturday, this thing didn't come. Okay, so this is how the autofill option is there. Okay, so to activate the autofill here, you have to select that cells, and there is, if you take the cursor into the right side, right down of that particular cells, there will be a plus symbol will be there, or there will be a fill symbol will be there. Just select and drag it. Okay, so this is how the autofill option used to work into the system, into the Excel. Okay.